Jonathan. Jonathan.
Yeah.
Why can't you get out the car? You don't know how to get out the car?
No.
So you forgot how to get out the car? Jonathan. You stuck in the car? Reading for me does not help. Jonathan, how do you normally get out the car? What do you do before you get out the car? What do you do when you get into the car? Jonathan, what's holding you into the car? Jonathan. Jonathan, just closing the door does not help. Jonathan, have you tried unbuckling the seatbelt? Have you tried that? Did you try that? Jonathan. Jonathan. Try unbuckling the seatbelt. You having all types of issues, ain't you? Don't hurt your hand.